Normal kan yambia kamal kan Nuer TV tekon ka rointe bukon ka ling gwasame broshu palping ka liang den man ban ling gwasame kenya man wala changa jandang dio ka pai bakel ron kin dang ro jandang ro dich ban jome ban janyu akel tekon ka ler bukon ka ling gwasame leran yam an banaling wude sha nakre which ka juba dini SSPDF la South Sudan People Defense Force wude mo na ka je ke Sunday ka war wud jani milat ko hotel no jan jena ka tawal kel PM ka war show ka checkpoint no checkpoint dung 7 day rona bat re wi ka juba an wenamo wa che checkpoint je chungo ko boma longo je me wa kap je chungo kana janok an wenamo ni chwaje shubar netin kontela de ni SSPD bala South Sudan People Defense Force chicken garamo chicken unak namon engwet jane dol jane cha jomo cha jakwen chala du cha Ramadan en men negje ke netin kontin barke je no wacha ka yen kole laram kel karwade wa Ramadan en dong men naga wajen naga je ko che ngot che ka bay ki che logono kapje chonka war ka tawol kel medit la tawol kel wadar la chere ke 11 PM nyan gwada dan en we reg mo we jekten no cha jang dan naga ki den kontin nak wudo mo tekentin wacha ka yen kan dial wona Ramadan en chi shirek mo chelat no ka jom shalat Chalado and police authorities in Juba have confirmed the arrest of South Sudan People Defense Force suspected of fatal shooting Garang Simon Dio, who was said to be a soldier at a security checkpoint over the weekend. Chajomo Chajalarano Wajen Teko hotel mo jen hotel and kwa yeka kwa labatin k 11 PM no ka 7 day rona bat ke Jordan Charlotte. Police spokesperson Major General James Monday in Noka said the officer suspected of firing that fatal shot along with others who were on duty at the checkpoint has been detained. Netin Conte telat kajin warmo keliu gwada nak garamutin mishal garang waken dial chakayen wana Ramadan and shiranak. Guru Jeno by investigation by carried out by Ramadan and Mentekariek mi Ramadan chanak ki mi jen uda SSPD mo tekarego wajen bajo tik shajo mo shaja larino. Okay, he said the investigation will seek to determine whether the officer acted lawfully or exceeded his authority. Wajen bajo tik mi lede kanwat ki changwada chaja by nagaram mo nagajalora bang shajo mo chaja kwene no chikalaro nene. Did the police officer exceed his authority during his work and open fire? There are clauses in the law that hold him accountable, he said. Or did he act within the framework of the law and legitimate self-defense? All of these things will be revealed in the investigation. Kajom chala de wudi chalga Major General Enoka chala do nena muda mo mi changot chaka gwor ki changot ka chaka bai chala o kangot ko ken wa ba je kep ka je an mishit kan mo yo mi shaji ko lo jen tele je der ba je lun kana ne diala content kel ka je kama shaji ko no jen te ka der no en wuda mo chala do baje chuyen ka baje moy karun reyti jien ka jaw andan en chalat name daragwano de kon link ka do badana chat non gaje leru den ban lingwasme dung Unity State authorities suspect Mayom revenge killing no jaw mi chitwok ka jaw mi cha kwen gwasme shalaru nena re wicha ka Mayom County ka Unity State Mayom take a Unity State chala do nena cha ngweni cha ka yentin kum South Sudan People Defense Force ka jo dan inshallat awana me togare wichin winami ka kor kami 180 chicken kanak ka kor gwan michwe no chere ka men la wa shoot men nagaran ko dong sha kon ga kenyam cha kula do kenetin kontin chinyin wa ken ka jidwar kel no kulela group ni teacher aleka within that community Canadian content charo nywa ke charo gorno bikor de nak re kore dana chitwo ka joma shala the United State Minister of Information kana Communication Engineer Gadwech Bifal bo tiala do nena lia to ka kor kemi shingwane shika tekerwal an wena mo shwane di chup kongwan shwaka nak ni chika rodi nang nangwan ka shwane dang jok an gwasa mo shwaka mo ka boti dit ka joma shikana lat. It happened within Mayom County. These are from the same community, even the same family. The same families. It is unfortunate, he said. The good news is that the situation has been contained by local authorities. The tension has calmed. Why Chamshir Namo Kokor Jo Medan Chaja Kapchong, she local authorities, Kinetan Content community, Kashiga Benyal, Sa Nathan Contin, Chikor Mutuk Chicken, Nyokamukukan, Yugono Palakor, Wachikan Kurikan Chukap, Chikani Kapchong on Ajan Dobadan and Chalat Kajan. Kakore she kume men la kumentere within Vinamiki interstate no wa she polini chuwa ke de nikel chikanetin contin shikoro mo she to kakor gade dan ka shana nak chikan ko kep ka chala do ken ba kan ka kot ba ka konuluk mi shaga jeg dwar bu tere te jen mite ramme mo tel dwar edien ba je de lunga jodan chalot ka chala de no chala do shinawa kap ka tandien ka chatan en chaka kap ko kana wa jakan wech karwal nyong neten content ral gwata me kanware okay kana itenware shika jur kanware karodian te ka kora togone chala do ken wa shika rodian jako bi rodian nak ko kan teken kamachi teteniken ka jowadan shalat no shikume la no kwai kaman do dien bonni man dong non kor long kantara kwana kor ngaj ban ma ngaj ke long wo ngwane la kana ga dong bu metelot bu kana ga kan wena bu rian nak dong ngang nom ni jen gwan mo dong met ka kwang tin ke let kam nan lede no briya ka mo be shu to ko jowa dan shalat gorje en go digen keben me ka ta dan shalat ke jem jordian gwasame mo goro de yen lat ke me de yen ling no Adobadan and Chauda ran Africa Union former Somali PM Prime Minister Chakwanyala special envoy ka South Sudan Wuda mene ran AU la Africa Union jen Chakwany la keep former de konchono queer envoy ka dung South Sudan queer and pai kwany la queer mala okay kwar malajen kwan Africa Union sa kwanya lojen bore wike juba en wuda mo la ut Somalia mo jen Prime Minister ne Kenyam ne ka gwade da ne te let keje ka Somalia chacho kwanya Ramadan la chairperson ka Africa Union no wuda me Michel ke jen olon Dr. Abdiweli Mohamed Ali Gas. Dr. Abdiweli Mohamed Ali Gas, Jeramadan Chakwanyala Special Representative to South Sudan and head of the Union Liaison Office in Juba. So Jeramadan Bumal Biolat Kam South Sudanese Carodian Kajom Shalat Jen wa chakona kwer midit ngaja tadan de mar jen nungaje mandena lo mar ka jenetin contin Chirodian kini recon indicator no wajen ngaje jana kwaingaje ka experience tegaje chalade long ke 2016 chalade bo ke 2014 be ke 2019 ko do badan ndong de mal der ben gaje winten ko kene jen mo kwaingaje so jen kwaingaje ko be kume Dr. Machar kene kum kirm yadit be kanong mal kan wo ba Dr. Machar ba jalun jan jodan en chanong na mo han ban nyo jigale rodien chuje poro jeno jin belarity be nyo ane ko ken biata kamal bye bye